The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 3:15 p.m. At 1:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Midway Airport, or 11 nautical miles west of 31st Street Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Benham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Guy Eversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. This is NOAA weather.